Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the voice typing or voice dictation mode in your notes on Microsoft OneNote. So let us get started. Navigate to Microsoft OneNote, open one of your notebooks here to the left, access one of your quick notes. I will go with this one and select the page you'd like to go with or create a new one. I will go with that example page here. What you want to do guys next before you start narrating your text here is make sure that your microphone is attached, that it has the most recently released drivers, of course, so that you can use it properly. And if that's the case, guys, left click anywhere you like on your page where you'd like to position your text box, like for example here. And once the cursor switches to that cursor here, you're good to start your voice dictation. So to do that, switch from the insert to the home tab in the top left. But instead of typing your command or your text here on your note, click into dictate here in the top. Microsoft will start listening to your, as you can see, to your narration. Now, it may be helpful to, for example, adjust the language settings, because Microsoft will use the language you have chosen your language settings and try to transcribe basically what you're speaking into your microphone. So to do that, navigate to that. Here you may, for example, choose your microphone that is attached or plugged to your computer or connected with your computer. You may see the sensitivity or connectivity here. And here, guys, you can choose your spoken language. So I will switch from Polish to English. New Zealand, is there any other? There. English, Canada, India, UK, and the US. So we're going with the US English version. Click into save, and now let us do the same. So click into dictate. If you see already that panel, start narrating or start your dictation by clicking into the let me dictate an example sentence here. And as you can see, this time the dictation is or doesn't feature any mistakes or spelling or grammar mistakes, because I have selected the correct speaking or language here in these dictation settings, guys. So that's basically it. So that's how you can use these the dictation mode. To turn it off, click into that microphone button here, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.